Well, starting to come down. I don't know if you can see it, but little drops here and there. I got a lot of the weeds up. So, rain came a little earlier than expected. It's gonna come down. It's gonna be raining all through the night, or it might stop maybe another hour, but it's gonna really pick up later. So, a lot of this stuff had to come up. And I think I'm deciding between overseed, just putting the pre-emergent down. That way next year, put another pre-emergent fertilizer down and then overseed. I think that'll be best. It's September, I believe it's the 21st, Saturday, September 21st, 2019. So I think I'll put the fungus killer down soon. Well, get the weeds up, put the fungus killer down, pre-emergent down, and then I'll just start phase 2 next year. Phase 1 won't have anything to do with overseeding. Phase 1 won't have anything to do with overseeding. Phase 2 will. Phase 1 will just be pulling the weeds, fungus killer, pre-emergent. That's it. Then next year, get back to work. So I'll keep showing you the progress. I'll give it a good cut. Just keep it cut until the growing season stops. And that's about it. Now the screen is very wet now, so gotta go.